Today we will draw a helicopter with very easy steps. Now let's start drawing. First we will draw a circle, and then the circle will be like the body of the helicopter. Okay, let's start from here. Drawing a circle like a random circle here. Yeah, it's perfect thing. Okay, now circle, the main body is completed. Okay, now we will make the tail here. Okay, it's a triangle shape. That's it. It's a triangle shape. It's a tail of the helicopter. Okay, now we will draw another triangle here. The small. That's good. Now we will draw the pilot cockpit. Here will be the pilot cockpit. Right here. Okay, and there is a pilot here. He's sitting with smile. Now this is the pilot. Draw another passenger window. For that, draw a L shape and it upside down L shape. It's a window here. Now we will draw the fan of the helicopter. For that, draw a up line. Now make a cross here like that, and another cross here to make it darker. Yeah, it's good. Now we will draw another cross here. Make it darker. Now what part is left? It's the bottom of the helicopter is left. We'll draw the bottom. Yeah, it's the bottom. Now it's done. It's time to fill the color. Okay, for that, before filling the color, I am just making some aerodynamic designs here so that our helicopter look cool and glossy.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that.